Hey everybody, welcome back, and today we're going to be checking out this white noise machine. I have no idea what this product is supposed to be used for, but apparently it's supposed to make some relaxing noises so that you can fall asleep easily. So let's see if it's any good. Okay, so let's take a look at this box here. There's no brand. I cannot find a brand at all on this box. It just says white noise machine. There's a picture of a person sleeping and a little picture of the product. And here you see the product description: nature sounds, variety of tones for fan sounds. And over here we have natural fan sounds, birds in a forest, brook sound, bonfire, thunder and rain. There we go. All right, user manual. It appears to be blank on this side. And here's the noise machine. It's pretty heavy actually for what it is. A little power brick here, USB, and the USB cable. Okay, so let's check this out. We have some buttons here. So a little headphone jack. And a little bit of a cable management system here. So let's plug this in. There we go. And then looks like some really weird cable management. It just snakes around the side here. I don't know what this is for. All right, we'll put it like that. Turn it on. There's a little light. Okay, let's try the fan button here. I'm not quite sure how this thing works, but it doesn't appear to make any noises at all. All right, let me unplug it. Let's see what happens. There we go. Hold the button. There we go. We have fan noise. We have a different fan noise. This is actually kind of annoying. Volume up. There we go. And then we have a different fan noise. All right, let's try the nature sounds. All right, it looks like we got some ocean sounds, some waves, a river or stream. What is this? Okay, I think we're back to here. Let's try this button. What is this? So this is just like background noise. Oh, it just gets higher and higher. We have a timer feature. Oh look, now it's on 90, off, 30, 60, 90. That light is really dim. All right, let's turn this off. So I don't find these sounds good at all, and it's not really that relaxing either. So I don't know why I would use this product. Maybe some people would find these sounds good. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing and reviews. I'll see you in the next video.